Packing your carry-on right can make or break your travel experience. Ever been stuck without a charger mid-flight or scrambling for a pen at customs? Here are the 10 must-have items that I never travel without. Whether it's a long-haul flight or a quick getaway, these 10 carry-on essentials can make every trip smoother. Number 1. A power bank. Running out of battery mid-travel is the last thing you want, especially when you are relying on your phone for navigation or entertainment and information from airlines, all sorts of things. A solid portable charger will keep you powered up during long flights or unexpected delays. Like, I like to travel with multiple small power banks instead of one huge one. It gives me more flexibility to charge multiple devices at once, and I find it easier to always have one on me in a jacket pocket, one in a carry-on, like that. There are a couple of power banks that have a decent capacity, but they're small and they have a design which fits into the phone, so you can keep using your phone while charging it without trailing cables around like you are like a robot from a trash heap or something. I'll put the link for them in the description so you can check them out. Number 2. Noise cancelling headphones. They are a lifesaver in noisy environments, from airplane engines to busy terminals. Block out distractions and dive into your favorite music, podcast, or just have them on for noise cancelling so that you don't get so noise in your head to give you stress. When I have more baggage allowance, I carry my Bose QC35's headphones, but if I'm just traveling with a small bag, I keep my new CMF Buds Pro 2 in my pocket. I'll put the link in the description for those as well. Number 3. A reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated while traveling is crucial, and you want to have at least a sip of water while you're traveling. They will not always give it to you. A collapsible water bottle saves space and cuts down the single-use plastic as well if you're thinking about the environment. So just fill it up once you pass security, then you can fill it from a water fountain and you're all set for the flight. Like most people, I also hate buying this expensive water at the airport, and I also don't like to drink the chilled water that hurts my teeth. So I have a collapsible water bottle that I carry on most of my trips. I've carried it, but recently I've switched to this filter bottle that was more expensive, but it can be filled from any tap or natural water resource. Number 4. A power adapter with multi-plug. In different countries, they have different outlets, different sizes and different voltage and all that. So you need to have a reliable adapter with multi-plug options, so you will always have access to power no matter where you go. If you're doing a lot of sightseeing, then you usually need to power up more than one device, like a camera, phone, tablet, things like that. I always keep 1 or 2 universal power adapters which have multi-plugs and USB sockets also in them, and I have cables. So right after I check in, my hotel room looks like the under console view of the Serenity. But if I need to go out in a couple of hours to take some sunset photos, then I am ready and my device is ready to go. So I'll give you the links for these as well so you can check out these ones. Number 5. A lightweight jacket or scarf. Especially like if you're traveling from England, I always have to carry a jacket because the weather here is cold no matter what the weather is like on the other side. A jacket or scarf can keep you warm on a chilly plane, or serve as a blanket, or be an extra layer when the weather changes unexpectedly. Number 6. Snacks or meal replacements. So airplane food has been the target of stand-up comedians for years, and it has never improved. But now, if you're booking a cheap flight to Europe, there's no free food at all. So packing a couple of cereal bars or oats biscuits or your favorite healthy snacks means that you will not be distracted by your drooling tummy in the plane, and you can focus on the sunset outside the window. Number 7. Essential toiletries. Although you can find some essentials in the hotels, there are some things that you will want to carry with you. For example, your skin cream, your toothpaste, and your cologne. I have a few small bottles that I got from Amazon. I just fill them up from the larger bottles and then carry them with me. They are airport security safe and lightweight. For cologne, I use a little atomizer that I take not only on travel but also for my salsa socials as well. It's very, very useful. Alright, I'll put a link in the description if you insist. Number 8. An important documents organizer. Keep all your essentials in one place. A compact organizer for your passport, passport, tickets, any travel documents, hotel bookings, everything. It saves you from scrambling inside your bag and your pockets to look for the documents. It's such a simple thing that I'm amazed that people don't do it. Just try it and you will see how helpful it is in keeping your travel stress low. Number 9, entertainment. An essential part of my travel preparation is usually to make sure that I have enough to keep me entertained during long waits in the airport and during the flight. Netflix is pretty useless when traveling to another country, and so is Prime Video. So I usually download movies and vlogs on YouTube on my phone, and also make sure to download some of my favorite podcasts as well. I update my Kindle app also on both my phone, and if I'm taking my tablet, then on my tablet as well. So download the books that I'm currently reading or want to read next. And once in a while, when there's baggage allowance, then I even pack a paper book with me, though I've not done that in a while. Might do it on the next trip. Number 10. Last but not the least, a pen. It's the simplest item, but you will be surprised how often you need one, especially for filling out customs forms or jotting down quick notes, sometimes taking somebody's email address or number, but it's usually the official purposes which will stump you and make you very stressed if you don't have a pen. When I landed in Sri Lanka, I found that I had to get a visa and fill out a paper immigration form. Now, there were no pens around, no shops, and you can't leave that area until you go through immigration. Fortunately, I always carry a pen with me when I'm traveling, so I was okay. Otherwise, I would have been in a panic there. Alright, so that's my top 10 list. This is based on my 24 years of experience of traveling, but I'm sure you have your own list of things as well that you cannot travel without. And by the way, does any of my items coincide with any of your items on your list? Well, let me know in comments. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.